that really nice intro. I'm Ashley, and I just recently-ish graduated from UNM with a performance degree. I'm doing a little bit of everything this year, which I guess is nice for you guys. And I wish there was some sort of music industry class when I was going through school, because it's so much more than just like the pipeline performance in ed, which is awesome. I'm just taking longer to learn that now. So whether you all may or may not know, historically, music is very white, cisgender, straight, male dominated. And that's a lot of the music we play, the dead white men music. Oftentimes, gender marginalized people, the LGBTQ community, pretty much any non-white composer, performer, we're often pushed to the side and the music isn't played. We may not be seen as highly, and things need to change. And thankfully now, in this day and age, people are starting to see that. So growing up, I was the one female trumpet player in my school bands and honor bands and all-state bands and summer camps and everything. And I never really questioned that until I got to grad school. And so when I was at UNM, all of this research I've done, it stemmed from an optional course at UNM. It was called Female Voices in Composition. And we learned about like Hildegard von Bingen one day, and the next day we were learning about Lady Gaga and Beyonce. And it was learning about composers and creators all across the genres of music, all across the time periods. And our final project was to build a recital for our instrument. So I built a trumpet recital, I wrote my program notes, and then I realized, why can't I just do this program? And so my master's recital was called More Than Just Dead White Guys, a graduate trumpet recital. And it was 6 works for trumpet by living women composers. And originally, when I turned it all into a lecture, it was called Fanfare for the Women. And it was a little tribute to Libby Larson's unaccompanied trumpet piece, which was one of the first pieces I found and how I started my recital off. But then a couple weeks ago, I realized that didn't really fit anymore because my research has grown and expanded to include all gender marginalized people and include all composers of different heritages, including men. And so pretty much anyone that's not a cis white male, I'm trying to feature and talk about and just get the word out that there's more out there. And so I'm not coming here to completely flip the tables and say we should never play a Beethoven symphony or a Haydn trumpet concerto again. I'm not here to do that. I'm here to show what else is out there and to just have us think and question the whys and the whats of what we play and what we teach and how we can use these resources that are out there in our community. And whether you all are music industry or music education or performance or whatever facet of music, someday at some point you are going to be teaching someone. And so these tools are going to be really helpful for you as a performer and as a teacher and just in whatever you do as a researcher, an entrepreneur, and all of these things. So hopefully all of this gives a little more insight.